What's good, niece and nephews? What's back again with another video, back again with another banger, back again with another vlog. We are on our way to a car meet. We are a little late, but that is fine. And we finna go and have a good time and see what kind of cars they have. So stay tuned. This is definitely something serious.
I need to get your information.
Why are you looking so lost? you see the Hellcat? Yo, the Hellcat got custom wheels. Those aren't stock. We got a 3 Series. You got the Rolls Royce, man. Look at this M4 though. Fuck. There's an M3 right here too. What the fuck? Same color. Yo, that's sick. Yo. I literally got the twin bangers. Who has an LS swap Infiniti? What the fuck? Wow. Wow. This man really did it all. Look at that. He's insane for that one. This man LS swapped the damn Infiniti, bro. Crazy. You see all the shit that popped in? C70. Bro, this is a clean setup on this truck. Let me see this truck.
The seats are better.
Look at these bitches. I'm still shocked at this shit. This twin shit got an M4 and an M3. M3 still look better though.
Now, what about the Mustang? Which Mustang? Yours.
They be slapping ripples on them F-150s. It's like a 4 section. Bro, that was like a 4 section. like this
When I
one.
shoot my shot, that shit wetty like
Look
I'm
at
Shaq.
this.
See the shots that I took, wet like I'm booked.
I don't care. All they need to do is just paint it. But this hoe is pretty nice. The wheels on it is really nice. I don't care. He won't give me a copyright strike. So let me go ahead and walk away from over here. That's the tough one. Come on, man. Both of these sick.
Nah, that's not going. Well, nah. That one has a different name. I mean, Tricky said it was a 4-inch, so.
Look at, I don't know if y'all can see it. That's a huge air filter. Then we got this Camaro.
Actually, your shit is like all sucked up. Yeah. Have you ever taken off the front bumper?
Got the Holly intake
Yeah.
before.
You look sick. Fuck no, bro.
Yeah, that's this is on the Camaro too though. And it's on some sweet shit. I like these wheels. They ain't gonna kill.
I feel like they look better. I feel like they look better than
It's like the same one from. And they got some shit up under there, boy. That shit twin turbo. And that cam sound bad, bro. Do you hear that? Bro, that cam sound like I love it. Yeah. Bro, I've seen so many single cab F-150s, bro. Why they have them? Why they got so many? They got so many. Yeah, they right out there. Oh yeah. It was a small boxer, but it's a. This F body is so crazy. I fuck with that F body. I ain't gonna lie, the F bodies grew on me. I didn't used to like the F bodies, but them bitches grew on me. Change the road.
Zero flames out of it right now.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. You know this is still, but I like the stance on it though. The stance on this is crazy. It looks great for the stance. Got the Infinity Club. Look at this full carbon fiber hood though. I know this hood. It's too hot. I'm sweating and shit. It's hot. I'm walking around and I'm in wearing black. Look at this Hellcat sitting on welds. You got the Camaro, like a 68. Look at the orange interior though. Look at that orange interior. What the fuck? Yo, this sick. Okay. Top 10 right here. Alright, so I got this. This is cat. Oh, you like this? Why you like this? She like this now. Bro, this is crazy though. Like, look at this interior, bro. Like, look at that. That orange is crazy. I like that orange. What do you think? Just hate this shit on. He got a ZR1. What the fuck? Sitting on welds. Damn. Copyright strike gon' hit me again. Okay.
Riding down 288, the top 8. Thinking you can run up on me and you mistake. Breaking them out, the niggas stains. I can't do dripping the front. Blocks from the grills to the chain. I spent a lot of change, now I'm looking like two.
Oh, look at the Z06, man. Shit. They even got, bro, and then they got a convertible. What is this? What is this? An M3 or M5? What is this?
No sé cuántos pies de altura, primera clase a Madrid.
Look, out of every car here, I want that one. That is crazy. That orange interior is crazy, man.
Estos blancos y negros no me hablen de mí, baby, aquí corremos fino. Digo, yo no me inclino, preguntan que si tienen chance, mejor ni opino. Yo los saco de la tumba, hablan de mí, los revivo. Dicen que debo favor en carro, sí, me imagino. Así que men, yo te vi afuera en la fila pa' mi show. Claro que sí, yo me acuerdo.
You know you gotta cut it out. Come on, man.
Si me pillan saliendo desde
You know this thing is crazy.
que pueden leerme porque me han visto en la portada. Visa apaga las luces, dejamos oscuras. Que mi gente prende los flashes y yo pido que los suban.
This is simple, but I still like, I ain't gonna lie, I always wanted a 370Z though. Ever since Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. You know, they got the old school rides out here, you see that? I'm so hot, bro. I'm so hot. You can see I'm over here sweating. Look at this. You know, ain't cause I'm walking around with boys. TRX, they got the TRX here. Oh my god. This bitch is, I gotta back up. This bitch is huge in person. Look how big it is in person, bro. And you can't leave without your C10s. This is a nice clean C10 right here though. You can see the high beams in the grill right there. We're sitting on American Forest. Bro, that interior looks impeccable. Look at that, bro. Not only they care about the outside, they care about that inside too, bro. This paint looks crazy. Real clean setup. Real clean setup. Of course, you got your scatty laddies. Got another C7. And we got the C6 right here. It's like another, it's like a ZR1. It is. Then we got another TRX with this whole wrap. Look at this. It says "We the People." Yo, this is crazy. I gotta back up for this one. Crazy. Bro, this shit deep. Oh yeah, I ain't gonna lie. This clean. This is simple. It's simple, but it's clean. I like it. Look at that. I like that one. Man, they got some heat so far. Then they got cars around here. Look, hold on, I'm gonna go see these. Look. Yo, look at this big truck, man. I like the way this sits up. Look at that. Look how big this bitch is, bro. It's too fucking big. Look at the wheels. Bro, I gotta look at these Dodge Neons though. If you know, you know, bro. You know. A lot of people don't even give a fuck about these Dodge Neons, but these Dodge Neons are severely slept on. Them engines are fucking amazing. People don't know too much about these, but these Dodge Neons are fire. Especially these SRT4s, man. They got this Hellcat. Shit. Nah, the 4G's though. Crazy. Yo. Okay, there's a lot more cars than I expected. And we still haven't even seen all of them yet, so. Got the Infinities. Like somebody supercharged the Expedition? Everything. See, look at this C6. I ain't gonna lie. For what it's worth, this is nice. For what it's worth. Y'all hear that? That is so nice. Oh hell yeah. The way it just sits there, just rumbles like that. This is still sick for a TRX. It's all giddied up, got the lights and stuff. Got GTs pulling up. This is a Shelby. Oh, and it's manual. Yay. With the Holley intake manifolds, man, everything's done up.
Anything else is background.
For the most part, I looked at everything. These are growing on me, by the way. I've been looking at this Supra from over here, bro. This Supra is crazy. I like the wheels on it. Yeah. Oh yeah, I heard about these too, man. I know these can make some power, bro. I know these can make some power if you put it down right. If you built these up the correct way, these can really go. And these are so cool. That's what I love about them. These are sleepers. They used to talk shit about them, but they're actually very good because they're still BMWs, so you know BMWs can be tuned. Look at this Chevrolet. Oh, he even got the light on for you. Ooh, got the big block. Yo! Yo, this thing is fucking clean. Look at that. Look at the air filter. Air filter looks fresh as hell. Yo, they don't make them like this anymore. Yo, look at this new 5.0. Look at the way it's sitting on the Giovanni wheels. I ain't gonna lie, this is a clean setup. Real clean setup. We got a Civic Sport. Bro, it's getting deeper now, you see? People are showing up a lot more. And there's still cars we haven't seen, so we're gonna go look at those right now. That is gonna die. Look at this S2000. Oh wow. Look at this S2000. Shoo. Then we got the Miata gang. Then we got the Toyota. What is this? The Toyota 85. But nah, that S2000 is crazy with the rag top too. And they got a roll cage. I know y'all see the roll cage. Yeah, this is a sick S2000. Man. Real sick. So look, look what somebody did to a Dodge Dart. Look at this Dodge Dart. Yeah, this is sick. They got the engine exposed, but what the only thing I see they did was an air filter. I ain't gonna lie, the color's crazy. I ain't gonna lie, the wrap cool. The wrap cool. Damn, man. And there's still cars over there. Come on. We're gonna go this way, because there's still more cars over here. Ooh, yo, this blue 370Z is crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I like the color on this. The color on this is pretty nice. So they all got 370s. Appreciate it. Yo. This is something that I would get. Yeah, you know I would. Look at this. This not now. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, this is my favorite right here. Them with the wheels, bro. the damn everything. This is sick. This cat eye's crazy, bro. Look. Damn. They got a black and white combo on the wide body. You see? They got like a black and white thing. It's different. Look at the tail lights. It's sick. She's sleeping. Got the yellow braces. This is an M3. I like the wheels on this M3. I don't know. Y'all should know by now. I like black cars with silver. Look at this SS. You know, with the LS3, you can't go wrong with that. See, all he did was he put a new air filter. That's all I see right now. But I know for a fact he could put a cam, type of Pro Charger. Got another S2000 right here. Yo, I like this. I've been seeing too many of these single cabs, man. These single cabs been crazy. I wonder if it's a GT350. It's just a 5.0, but they got a 350 wing. Got another S2000. Got a black S2000. Very riced out. We got a twin color Mustang. Bro, this Supra was supposed to come over here. Look at this Lexus. Then we got a Hellcat, of course. Of course we got the Hellcat coming in. Then we got a GT500 right behind it. What the fuck? GT500 right behind it, bro. What the fuck? And that bitch is done by Hennessy. You see that? There's a Hennessy badge on the back. Got another C10. You can't go wrong with the C10, bro. Is this the one from earlier? Yeah, this one from earlier. I like this Lancer setup. See this Lancer? It's clean setup. My first time seeing the new Elantras built up like this. See the wheels? Loki looks real nice. I like the setup. We got another C6. We got an FRS, you know, they hanging those out. And it's sitting on bags too. I just heard it air out. Look at that. That's different. But it's nice though. That's different. F-body's back. Chevy SS. Come on, man. Come on, man. Bro, I wanted that car for so long. Lexus came back. And another 370. I really like these. These really are like one of my favorite Nissan cars. This and the GTR. But 370 has always been my favorite. I ain't gonna lie. God, I used to have a toy car this when I was a kid. It was blue. In fact, yo, it would look just like this, but it was blue. What the fuck? This is a Subaru STI. Yo, I used to have a car of that, and it was blue when I was a kid. The fact that I see it in person, bro, that shit kind of crazy. And then we got what is this? This is a Genesis? Oh no, these are actually slept on too. Bro, these bitches got the turbos in it. These bitches can go. See, you gotta know, bro. This is a if you know, you know. Them Genesis ain't nothing to play with. What the fuck is that? Yeah. Still, hey, the band's here. Shit, hey. But nah, this is 5.0. What is this? V6? Another 5.0? Another 5.0. There's too many 5.0s there. But look at this though. He don't even. They scared to come in. Look at this Shelby. Ooh, geez. Hell yeah. Oh, you got me scared. I thought that was a damn ZR1. I was gonna say, what? But it's not a ZR1. I was gonna say, oh no. Oh no. They don't got a ZR1. This is a Lincoln LS, but it has a V8 in it. So if you don't know, if you know, you know. These wheels on it actually make it look really nice. But I used to like this car when I was a young kid. And I still do. But it's not my type. That Scat left. The Scat left. Yeah, he's telling people to slow down. He actually the constable. He ain't playing no game. He finna arrest somebody tonight. He just waiting on the go. He waiting on the go, ain't he? All right. Nissan 240X. This is a Nissan 240. I knew it was a Nissan. Look at his hair. truck. You remember that truck from earlier?
That's what I should put in my car.
That's somebody shooting up the block. Yo, don't too close. I got it, bro. This is be a fire red flag. I'm gonna make the intro like a minute long, tell you shit. It's clean. It's fuck too. I fuck with this movie.
I'm on the Great Black Stallion, fist full of wood when I pull.
The new Civic Type R is right here. The new Civic Type R in this gray color. My second time seeing this one now. Make up for one of these, man. Look at this. Fuck. Yeah, I like this Benz. Look at this vintage. Man, this is how they used to be in the inside. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Put a comment down below what was your favorite car from the video. Like I said, I ain't gonna lie, I think my top 3 was the orange interior Camaro. Look at that orange interior. What the? There was the Silverado. This cat eye is crazy, bro. Look. And I think the last one, it was dang. I'm gonna put a clip. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.